If I'm sending you this video, you should be a Nevada Energy customer who owns their home. And if that is the case, in September of 2023, Nevada Energy raised our rates for the third time this year. And what's worse is there are already rate increases put into place for 2024. So the extreme rate increases that we've seen and continue to see are only getting worse going into next year. That's why the CEO of Nevada Energy is blasting commercials offering options to help you cope with the pain of high power costs. You know, the days of only paying a lot of money for energy in the summer and then the winter and the spring aren't that bad are gone. We are going to be paying excessive rates for energy 12 months out of 12 months every single year moving forward, and it's only going to get worse. So if you want to stick around for that pain, you are good to go right now because it's coming your way. Now, if you'd like to control your energy costs and save money, protect the hard-earned money that you go out and earn every single day, you should log on to energyupsolar.com, and we offer a zero out-of-pocket solution, to reduce your costs. So no money from you is required. We don't need any money from you. Once again, I don't need money from you, and I will help you reduce those costs. It's energyupsolar.com. Log on to energyupsolar.com. Click the Nevada Energy pop-up. You can read about what we do. We offer over-the-phone consultations as well as in person, whatever it's convenient for you. We know people are busy. Over the phone, in person, you choose. We will show you how we can save you tens of thousands of dollars. Go to energyupsolar.com today. That's energyupsolar.com, only if you want to stop burning money to Nevada Energy.